So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dog mode in your Tesla. So dog mode is a setting for your AC which maintains a comfortable temperature. So let's say you're running some errands and your dog is with you and you're leaving your dog in the car. Dog mode will maintain a good cabin temperature and a comfortable cabin temperature. So you can go and run your errands without worrying, and it will usually leave a message on the screen here as well. So there's two ways to turn on dog mode. You can either do it using the display here, or you can use your phone. So I'm going to show you using this center display. You want to press this AC button just here and open up this screen, and just there on the left it will say dog. So you're going to press dog. And it says it here, dog mode is enabled, so climate and screen will stay on after you exit. Sentry mode and opening windows from within the cabin will be disabled. So let's actually leave the car. And you can see it just there. So it says, my driver will be back soon, don't worry, the AC is on, and it even displays the temperature there. So that's pretty cool. And just using the Tesla app, you can also access dog mode. So you can see there's a paw symbol and it says active. If we click this, and you can see dog mode is there. We can see the temperature, and we can also turn off dog mode. And from here we can also turn on dog mode as well. Yeah, let's turn it off. Let's see if the message is there. Okay, so the message has come off, and let's turn it back on. And it's come back on there. Perfect. So that's dog mode.